This one stock has crazy potential. One $22.66 stock can change early buyers' lives. The ticker is CIFR. They have now a $3 billion revenue commitment from a high-performance computing supplier. They also recently have Google as an investor, investing in $5 billion of their 5% of their company, in order to allow that $3 billion high-performance computing deal to happen. So Google is backstopping it. Cipher has a solid earnings reaction, even as the market is selling off right now. This is a fifth down day in a row in the market. And with Cipher being strong now, there is definite reason to say buying as much as possible before November 15th is a good idea. This isn't financial advice, but it looks pretty solid. Let's jump into a little breakdown.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
So this is the chart. This is the buying. This is the earnings. And you can see that it was expected to be a loss. And it's a beat. So similar to Hertz, massive volume, earnings expected to be a loss. It was a beast. Cipher has that look to it. So even as the market sells off, even as the Japanese Nikkei sells off, Nikkei, someone's going to have to correct me in the comments with phonetics. The QQQ is selling off, obviously the NASDAQ, obviously the futures, obviously even small caps, IWM. So to see a company holding up despite all of this is good news. And then if we look at what actually happened, here's the 1.4 billion Google deal. So Cipher signed this 10-year deal. This is like a tenth of a gigawatt. It's pretty incredible. A tenth of a gigawatt is valued at $3 billion. So imagine, OpenAI is talking about 20 gigawatts needed of AI. So it's like whatever that is, 20 times 10 is like 200. It's like that's over $500 billion in AI hosting costs. So it makes sense why Sam Altman's talking about needing over $1 trillion. Google's gonna basically allow this lease obligation to happen. I don't get exactly how that works. I don't know if they pay the real estate owner or what, but they're the guarantor, whatever it is. They're getting warrants, and that makes them 5% owners of Cipher. So, yeah, they're going to offer debt to finance that center. So, I think this is all related. Google's basically paying for it or allowing this to happen. So, as always, the Mag 7 is basically leading everything else that happens downstream. And this is proposed, but the stock is certainly moving like this is going to happen. So, yeah, we'll see. As far as other investors, SoftBank is an investor as well. It says Amazon is boosting the stock. I don't know exactly what that refers to, but we don't want to get too in the weeds here. They already have Google and SoftBank backing them, $50 million pipe. So that's pretty awesome. And then the actual earnings is relevant as well. So if we take a look at that, 40 million is not a lot of money for sure, but it's a pretty small company. And yeah, it looks like Amazon did a similar deal as Google. We don't need a subscription to figure out that's basically what this says. They are pivoting from Bitcoin to hyperscaling, aka running GPU workloads, AI workloads, making LLMs work. And this is like the major moment to show that that's actually real. I mean, 40 million revenue is not a lot, but 3 billion of revenue through Fluid Stack through Google is a big deal. I don't know the Amazon number. I mean, I could certainly ask my friend here. What amount did Amazon pay Cypher? How are they connected, right? It's over a $5 billion market cap. So that's kind of like a random threshold I just sort of pulled out of my whatever. But there is a high institutional ownership. They don't need cash and they can raise money. So that pretty much means that this is actually going to happen. If they have over $1 billion of cash, this is not really accurate, right? 6 years. That's pretty sure they're going to spend all that cash pretty much in the next few years, I would expect. But I could be wrong. I don't know how long these data centers take to build or how much they actually end up sucking up in terms of money, but they're able to raise money. This is the $1 billion raise at $16 in September. I guess that's Google sometime in here. So that definitely helped this stock move, it looks like. And oh my God, so they do have a 15-year agreement with AWS also around the multi-billions. So this company definitely is connected to all the most important companies, SoftBank, Google, and Amazon. And I like the chart, and this earnings is good, and it's holding up when the market's going up. Anything could happen, but seems like a good idea. If you like these ideas, hit that like button. If you want a free course on how to buy stocks before they go up, hit that subscribe, and you'll see in the YouTube posts, I post that once a month. If you're a busy person and you want help, head over to stockscommunity.com. You can sign up for $25 to the Discord. This is the #1 Discord for busy investors. Check it out. You can watch the recordings. You don't have to be there for the Q&A or live streams that are only available to Discord members. So give it a shot if you want to improve your investing.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.